Good evening students. Today I am going to discuss the topic mole concept of class 11th. This is the first chapter topic, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. So before discussing mole concept, we will define what do you mean by mole. Already you have studied in class 9th about mole concept, but now in class 11th we have to deal this topic in detail. And this is very important topic for class 11th as well as for class 12th students. So, mole can be defined as, it is the unit to measure the amount of substance. It is a unit to measure the amount of substance. So one by one we will discuss mole concept in detail. Basically, mole concept is divided into three parts. First, on the basis of mass or weight. Second, on the basis of quantity. And third, on the basis of volume. First, we will discuss on the basis of mass or weight. So, for example, if I take 1 mole of water molecule, so in this case, we have to calculate the molar mass of water. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and hydrogen we will take 2. 1 into 2. So, you will get 18 gram. So 1 mole of water contains 18 gram. Similarly, 1 mole of CO2 contains, when you will calculate the molar mass of CO2, you will get 44 gram. One more example we can take, 1 mole of nitrogen atom, it will contain 14 gram. 1 mole of nitrogen atom will contain 14 gram. In case of compound, you have to calculate the molar mass, and in case of atom you have to get the atomic mass. So by conclusion we can call that mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass or atomic mass. So formula will become N equal to mass you will take W or small m upon molar mass slash atomic mass. So this is the first formula, the basic formula for calculating mole. Okay? Hope you understood this topic. Now we will discuss mole concept in terms of quantity. Second, in terms of quantity. Quantity means generally we take atoms, molecules, ions, or collectively we can call particles. In terms of atom molecules, we generally use Avogadro number. Avogadro number is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is a fixed number, experimental concept number. It will not change. So if I tell 1 mole of water contains how much atoms? So 1 mole of water will always contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. If I tell 2 mole of water, then what will happen? You have to multiply this Avogadro number by 2. So you will get 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay? One more example we can take. 1 mole of methane contains how much atoms? So it is fixed Avogadro number. Or we can reverse it also. This much atoms contains 1 mole. Okay? Or this much atoms is equal to 1 mole of methane. So now we will write the formula. What formula we will get from this topic? Mole is equal to, this is the second formula, mole is equal to quantity upon Avogadro number, that is N is equal to Q upon Avogadro number. This is your second formula. Now we are combining both formulas, first formula and second formula. So what is our first formula? Our first formula is, this is second formula. First formula, what we have studied, N is equal to weight upon molar mass upon atomic mass. So now compare this. So we can write that W upon molar mass or atomic mass is equal to quantity upon Avogadro number. This is a combination of two formulas. Now we will discuss our third concept. On the basis of volume. In this case, what is the condition here? This particular concept will be applicable. This is applicable in gases only. Remember, this particular concept of mole is applicable only in gas at STP condition. STP condition, standard temperature, pressure. What are the standard condition? Temperature 273 Kelvin, pressure 1 atm. Okay, these are the standard condition. Temperature 273 Kelvin, pressure 1 atm, and concentration we can take 1 mole. In this case, if I tell 1 mole of water is also in the form of gas, so we can write 1 mole of water equal to 22.3 liter at STP. This particular value is experimentally determined. So this is a fixed value. Okay, like Avogadro number, this value is also fixed. 1 mole of methane gas, it is also 22.4 liter. If I tell 0.55 mole of methane, then what will be the answer? 1 mole contains 22.4 liter. So half mole will contain 11.2 liter at STP. So the formula of this topic will be mole is equal to given volume upon 22.4 liter at STP, or we can write N equal to volume upon 22.4 liter. This is our third formula. Now we will combine all the three formulas. What is the first formula you have told? First formula, N equal to weight upon molar mass, atomic mass. Second formula, I have told N equal to quantity upon Avogadro number. Third formula, we have studied N equal to volume upon 22.4 liter. These are the three formulas of mole concept. Or we can write weight upon molar mass, atomic mass is equal to quantity upon Avogadro number, and third volume upon 22.4 liter. By using these formulas, we can calculate each and every question of mole concept. Hope you understood the concept of mole. In the next video, I will. Now in second video you will be able to see the numerical problems based on mole concept. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you.